Now, spurtle is a traditional Scottish wooden stirring stick or rod that
Discover the historic Scottish spurtle, a traditional breakfast essential. Crafted from sturdy hardwood dowels, typically measuring exactly 11 solid inches long. Makers carefully round wooden edges, adjusting diameters for comfortable daily morning grips. Its slender shape stirs thick, creamy porridge, without annoying lumps. Always stir clockwise with your right hand, avoiding mischievous spirits. Upgrade your morning oatmeal routine. Tag friends who love cooking hearty Scottish breakfasts.
A Scottish spurtle is a traditional wooden kitchen tool used primarily for stirring porridge, soups, stews and broths. Unlike a spoon, it is long, slender and typically has a round or slightly flattened shaft with a tapered end. The spurtle originated in Scotland, where it has been used for centuries to prepare oatmeal porridge. Its design offers several advantages. Reduces lumps. The narrow shaft moves smoothly through oats without compressing them, helping create a smoother porridge. Prevents sticking. The long handle allows you to stir continuously while keeping your hand away from the heat. Gentle mixing. Its shape stirs ingredients without overworking them. Traditional use. A long-standing Scottish tradition is to stir porridge with a spurtle rather than a spoon, using a clockwise direction only. According to folklore, stirring counterclockwise was said to invite bad luck or mischievous spirits. Materials. Most traditional spurtles are made from hardwood such as beech, birch, maple, cherry. Today they are also made from olive wood, bamboo and silicone-tipped versions for modern cookware. Modern uses. Beyond porridge, the spurtle is excellent for stirring, risotto, mixing soups and sauces.